Hi, I am Dr. Raj Soni, one of the founders and directors of AMpire Solutions Pvt Limited, Rajkot. AMpire Solutions is an additive manufacturing firm which is working to explore its use cases and drive the adoption of additive manufacturing within the traditional industries to unlock its full potential. Additive manufacturing is not going to replace the conventional manufacturing, but it is the complementary technology to fulfill each and every requirements of the customer, which is not possible with the conventional technologies alone. Conventional technologies has its own limitations. So sometimes customers could not get the full satisfaction with the manufacturing processes. Then the additive manufacturing comes into the rescue. And additive manufacturing brings its own advantages with it, such as customization, lower time to market, complexity, and low volume production, etc. And any of these can never be fulfilled by the conventional technologies. There are a lot of avenues in which additive manufacturing is being penetrated right now. Out of that, there are three major verticals in which AMpire Solutions is currently working on. Those are medical, industrial, and consumer. The three of these verticals are having its own characteristics, and me along with my team are working towards how we can penetrate into these three sectors with the additive manufacturing technology and explore its full potential and helping in nation's progress. In medical sector, we are collaborating with the medical institutions such as multi-speciality hospitals and cater into the departments such as orthopedics, neurology, oral and maxillofacial, and oncology, etc. So we make anatomical models out of the patient's CT and MRI data and get it converted into a 3D printed model and give it to surgeons for proper surgical planning and further procedures, from which surgeons can able to understand what the actual anomalies is and able to make the patients aware about the same. In industrial sectors, we are collaborating with the product design firms to make the new product development and lower its time to market. Also, we are doing the low volume productions in such cases where the mold making and everything is difficult to adapt. In consumer sectors, we help the customers to turn their ideas into the reality and with the customization whatever they want. It could be in the form of home decor or any kind of personalized gifts or toys or anything or everything. For all this, I have a dedicated manufacturing facility at Rajkot and further planning to expand it into the state-of-the-art master 3D print farm. I did a doctorate in additive manufacturing from Harvard University and have been working in the additive manufacturing field since last 8 years. Our vision is to make the additive manufacturing an integral part of India's industrial ecosystem, bridging the gap between the cutting-edge innovation and practical application. Our mission is clear: to lead the additive manufacturing technology in India by focusing on three key objectives: expanding awareness, driving use cases, and scaling adoption.